Welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to review the different types of AI generation. First is image generation. Image generation with AI involves training a machine learning model on a large data set of images so that it can learn what different types of images look like. Once the model has learned what different images look like, it can then generate new synthetic images that look similar to the image that was trained on. Now imagine the computer is like a magic crayon. It's been shown many examples of trees and has learned what a tree looks like. Now when you ask the computer to create a picture of a tree, it can use its knowledge to create a new picture of a tree, just like it would with a magic crayon. The difference is that the computer can create many different trees, and each one can be different and unique. And the best part is that you don't have to be an expert artist to create a picture of a tree, because the computer is doing the hard work for you. Next is text generation. Text generation with AI involves training a machine learning model on a large data set of text so they can learn the patterns and relationships between the different words and phrases. Once a model has learned these patterns, it can then generate new synthetic text that is similar to the text it was trained on. Now imagine you have a magic pen that can write stories for you. You tell the pen what kind of stories you want, and it writes a story for you. This is how text generative AI can work with various forms of text. Third is music generation. Music generation with AI involves training a machine learning model on a large data set of music so that it can learn the patterns and relationships between different musical notes, chords, and rhythms. Once the model has learned these patterns, it can then generate new synthetic music that is similar to the music it was trained on. So imagine you have a magic instrument that can play music for you. You tell the instrument what kind of music you want to hear, and it plays a song for you. This is how music generative AI can work in the music space. Finally is video generation. Video generation with AI involves training a machine learning model on a large data set of videos so that it can learn the patterns and relationships between the different video frames, colors, shapes, and movements. Once the model has learned these patterns, it can then generate a new synthetic video that are similar to the videos it was trained on. Now imagine you have a magic camera that can make videos for you. You tell the camera what kind of video you want to see, and it makes a video for you. This is how video generative AI can work in the video space. Next, we're going to explore AI's market impact, current and future. I look forward to seeing you soon.